In this video, we're going to be talking about how to bypass the Google two-step verification. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a lot of videos in this topic, and I want to be very truthful to you and let you know that this is only going to be the video that is not going to be wasting your time. Others are just going to be wasting your time telling you about all the stuff. All right. So first things first, bypassing Google's two-step verification is generally not possible through official secure means because the system is designed to prevent unauthorized access. The only way to go ahead and do so is going to be by using your primary verification methods. So for example, if you have already saved your backup codes right over here, as you can see, you can simply go ahead and use the backup code to recover it. You can only use your recovery email to go ahead and recover it, or you could only use your recovery phone. So you have at least three choices that you can go ahead and recover your account through. If you haven't already set up all of these before you lose your account, please do so. And also talking about the authenticator, this is going to be the fourth option. So you guys have four options, and if you still don't do any of these and still lose your account, well, that's just up to you. I hope this video